Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We started from Bangalore to Goa and reached Goa airport, from where the Caravela Resort had arranged a pickup for us to reach the resort. So we were picked up in the airport and we enjoyed a very breezy, very cool view and reached the hotel. We were welcomed with a welcome drink, after which we checked into the room. You can see the video of the room tour already posted in my channel. In this video, I will give you a tour of the resort's lobby and restaurant. Come, let's walk into the resort. There are water fountains on either side of the entrance. Once you enter, on your left is the reception. Even though the place was huge, it had a welcoming note to it where you feel cozy and very homely. You can see the dining area below. The breakfast and lunch dinner is served here, both a la carte and buffet. They also have room service if you prefer to have it in your room. The staff are very friendly and are very professional. All over the property, you can see this kind of seating arrangements where a small group can sit and chit chat, which is very cozy and very effective and very useful. We are back near the reception again to show you another glimpse of the property. The stairs which you see on the right take you to the dining area and the restaurant. You can see the dining area now. If you have forgotten your swimwear, your flip flops, your other requirements for Goa like your sun hat, sunscreen, no problem. There is a shop inside the premises where you can buy and use it for your Goa trip. Come, let's walk to the dining area and have some food. Please watch out for the part 2 of Caravela Beach Resort property view, where I will be sharing the view of swimming pool, the golf area, the beach and other things. Hope you all like watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and watch out for part 2 of Caravela Beach Resort view. Thank you for watching.